Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Board. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Before starting the video, I would like to ask you that I am not the financial advisor, I'm just telling you about their amazing project. Now let's start the video. Token market cap. You can also check their trending coins and token projects from here like Vita, Inu, Pitbull, Tenda Coin, and furthermore. Next, we have their listed coins and tokens here. You can also check their listed coins and tokens for here. This is an amazing project. Next, we have their news. First, we have Geeks. You can also check their KYC, audit, SAFU, and docs. In the world driven of technological innovation, where brilliance often hides in the shadows, Geeks World emerged as a beacon of recognition, unity, and empowerment. We are not just a platform, we are a movement, a community of individuals dedicated to shaping the future of technology and ensuring that every brilliant mind receives the acknowledgement and appreciation it deserves. You can also check their website from here, and you can also check their white paper, audit details, and manifesto. Next, we have their contact address and their socials. You must join their social platform like their Telegram community, their Twitter account, their YouTube channel, and their Discord. You must join their Telegram community for latest update. This is an amazing project. Next, we have their Geeks World official video. You must see their official video. Next, we have their website, Geeks World Multiverse of Metaverse. You can also check their whole website from here like their about, their ecosystem, their token distribution, their roadmap, and furthermore. This is an amazing project. Contract source code verified. This token contract is open source. You can check the contract code for details. Unsourced token contracts are likely to have malicious functions to defraud their users of their assets. No proxy. There is no proxy in the contract. The proxy contract means contract owner can modify the function of the token and possibly affect the price. No mint function. Mint function is transparent or non-existent. Hidden mint function may increase the amount of token in circulation and affect the price of the token. No function found that retrieves ownership. If this function exists, it is possible for the project owner to regain ownership even after relinquishing it. Owner can't change balance. The contract owner is not found to have the authority to modify the balance of token at other addresses. No hidden owner. No hidden owner address was found for the token. For contract with a hidden owner, developer can still manipulate the contract even if the ownership has been abandoned. This token cannot self-destruct. No self-destruct function found. If this function exists and is triggered, the contract will be destroyed. All function will be unavailable and all related assets will be erased. No external call risk found. External calls would cause this token contract to be highly dependent on other contract, which may be a potential risk. This token is not a gas abuser. No gas abuse activity has been found. Honeypot risk. You can also check their buy tax and sale tax from here. Above 10% may be considered a high tax rate. More than 50% tax rate means may not be tradable. This does not appear to be a honeypot. We are not aware of any malicious code. No code found to suspend trading. If a suspendable code is included, the token may be neither be bought nor sold. Honeypot risk. Holder can sell all of the token. Holders can sell all of the token. Some token contract will have a maximum sale ratio. No token can be bought. Generally, these unbuyable tokens would be found in reward tokens. Such tokens are issued as reward for some on-chain applications and cannot be bought directly by users. No trading cooldown function. The token contract has no trading cooldown function. If there is a trading cooldown function, the user will not be able to sell the token with a certain time or block after buying. No anti-whale unlimited number of transactions. There is no limit to the number of token transaction. The number of scam token transaction may be limited. Anti-whale cannot be modified. The maximum trading amount or maximum position can be modified. Text cannot be modified. This contract owner may not contain the authority to modify the transaction text. If the transaction tax is increased to more than 49%, the token will not be able to be traded. No blacklist. The blacklist function is not included. If there is a blacklist, some addresses may not be able to trade normally. No whitelist. The whitelist function is not included. If there is a whitelist, some addresses may not be able to trade normally. No tax changes found for personal addresses. No tax change were found for every assigned address. If it exists, the contract owner may set a very outrageous tax rate for assigned address to block it from trading. You can also check their rates from here, and you can also join their social platform like their Facebook page and Twitter account. If you want to write any comment, you will write here. Geeks World looks like a real good project. Plenty of information regarding their ecosystem. You can also check their comments from here. You can also download it on Google Play and also download it on App Store. Token Market Cap is a leading platform that brings together crypto projects such as Coin, Token, and Presale. Our mission is to connect unknown crypto projects with active investors, paving the way for new success stories in this exciting industry. We act as a bridge, bringing together crypto project owner and investor. Join our dynamic platform and get ready for a fresh start in the crypto world. You must join their social platforms. This is an amazing project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.